And we've got more information coming in on the two first Omicron cases detected in India, both of them in Karnataka. Both cases, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to tell you are independent of each other. They're not related to each other. One of the cases is an individual who is fully vaccinated and the second was partially vaccinated. The person who is, the man who is 66 years old has a travel history to South Africa. The 46-year-old has no travel history and is a healthcare worker. They were both tested at hospital on the 22nd of November and found to be positive. Their symptoms include mild fever, but the patients are both healthy at this point of time. The symptoms are both mild. Both of these individuals are quarantined right now. They are under medical care in Bengaluru at this point of time. One of them has a history of travel. They had from South Africa recently. The symptoms being demonstrated by both are mild at this point of time. Only a mild fever. Otherwise, both are in decent health is what we're told. One was fully vaccinated. The other patient was partially vaccinated, which we're taking to assume means they've had just one dose so far. It is not clear whether any of these individuals has had COVID before this Omicron case was detected in their bodies. We're also given to understand that more cases are being tested at this point of time, and there could be an update on that very, very soon. Milan is with me live for an update on this. Milan, more details coming in of the first two Omicron cases. One of them fully vaccinated, the other partially vaccinated, but mild fever, no severe symptoms in either case.
That's right, Shiv. We have more details now. These two cases, basically the government is saying and the health ministry that both are independent to each other, because initially there was some confusion where the government of Karnataka had said one of them is a Delta case, but now we know both are Omicron cases, but they're different from each other. This is what we are being told. One of them is a fully vaccinated individual and one was partially vaccinated just with one dose. The 66-year-old male identified has a travel history from South Africa. The 46-year-old does not have any travel history, although he's been identified as a healthcare worker. They were tested positive on the 22nd, and we're also being told that they are having mild fever. They are not having any serious side effects or serious implications of testing positive with Omicron. We've also been told by sources that one of them is an Indian national. And the few details the government has now revealed, they are saying that both patients at this moment have been isolated. They are healthy. They are being looked after. But the situation remains grim, especially for Karnataka at this moment, because contact tracing for a lot of more people will be need to be done by the government at this point. And we also have 10 more passengers who've tested positive for COVID who arrived from at-risk countries. So the two people we found Omicron positive, it doesn't end there, because we are awaiting samples of genome sequencing of those people who are in Delhi, those people found positive in other places as well.
Okay, Milan, thanks very much for that. We'll keep our viewers updated minute by minute on the Omicron reality. Two cases here in India, no cause for panic, but all precautions are definitely necessary. I promise that we will give you the best and most accurate information as quickly as possible here in India today. Very quick break on the other